In this video, I'm going to show you free airdrops that you can farm for absolutely free because they are testnets and you can click around and do some tasks in order to qualify for the potential airdrop in the future that's going to give you a lot of dollars, hopefully. So let's get started. There are free airdrops, Monad, Chainbase, and MegaETH. I'm going to start with MegaETH, which is layer 2. Actually, it's layer 1, but it's getting advertised as a little bit like a layer 2, but they're building Ethereum from scratch and it's going to be real-time blockchain. What real-time blockchain really means can be easily verified if you actually start here. You go to the faucet, so you get free MegaETH tokens. You don't have to do anything in order to get them. So you do that, and then start playing Spotlight. So if you go to the testnet.megaeth.com, you will have this classic frog game where you have to cross the road. Now, the caveat here, the feature that's additional when it comes to this game is that all the transactions, so whenever you click a button left, right, up and down, it's all going to be signed on the blockchain. So all the transactions are signed on the blockchains, they are appearing on the blockchains, and you see really how fast MegaETH is with this game. So that's really cool. You can play that for free, of course, and that counts towards the transactions that you're going to make. And on top of that, you can try to beat the record and be on the leaderboard, I guess. Maybe they will give you some additional tokens. That's my bet at the very least. So that's one thing. Of course, that's only the beginning. You can start using the testnet and explore the application. There are a couple of them. Of course, find some kind of an exchange like Bebop, try to exchange the tokens, how it goes usually. You have to exchange the tokens from MegaETH, for example, the gas tokens in order to some kind of a USDC version or some smaller token and back. And generally speaking, use a couple of exchanges to do that. Maybe also find NFTs that you can buy. There's a couple of NFT marketplaces that you will be able to use. And generally, this should be fine, at least in the beginning, to make it. When it comes to testnets, what's really crucial usually is doing that over and over again. So you have to be patient, you have to be regular, do that at least once a month in order to qualify. Now, the second airdrop that I wanted to mention is Monad. Test play and build on Monad testnet. It's funny because MegaETH is actually comparing itself to Monad and they're showing actually that they are faster. So if you go with the game, you'll be able to actually check the game, the Flatful game, also Monad testnet and Base Sepolia. And they do that in order for you to actually show how much faster MegaETH is compared to Monad testnet. Nevertheless, Monad is another chain that's going to be super fast. It's not quite real time, but it's very close to it. And it's a little bit more on the application side built out than MegaETH. MegaETH is much newer. So you can see what they're building. You have NFTs already on Monad that you can buy using directly the MagicEden here. Now, the cool stuff is that you can basically try to connect. The faucet is closed. I think you can't get the faucet here, but you can use one of the bridges like Oli or a couple of other ones, I think, to actually get the ETH from Base Sepolia to Monad and then to get the Mon tokens, and then you can get around there. So I was having another separate video about Monad, so I won't be mentioning that much, but you can go to ecosystem directory, try to see what's up there, and basically try to interact with a couple of exchanges. Again, you have Bebop here, you have different wallets that you can use, you have NFT marketplace, so there's a bunch of stuff to be done here. Now, finally, we have Chainbase. This is a pretty new thing. They advertise themselves as a data network, and basically, if you go to genesis.chainbase.com, you'll have different tasks available to you. So what they want to do is actually they want to provide data for AI in order to have them better, but have them on chain, all the algos. So that's pretty cool, and they're building a couple of stuff towards that. So let me show you what they're building here really. And if you go to genesis.chainbase, you'll be able to connect and then see a daily logbook for different things that you can do. There are a couple of tasks that you can do, basically following the link, maybe minting something, maybe doing something else, testing your luck, or trying to verify something on chain. Really cool stuff. You can, for example, link your Twitter in order to get some kind of points. There's a bunch of different stuff that you can do in order to get more and more points. And also you can use my referral link down below in the description to get, I think, more points, I guess. So there are a couple of things that you can do. Those are the free airdrops that I wanted to mention. More are coming along the way. I think the market is perfect for farming different airdrops in order to get maximal reward when they launched, which should be probably this year. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.